egg. Let's play surprise eggs and find out. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's play and explore and see what we're going to learn today. It's the letter G, as in gray.